In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Keap's subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect as you complete the cancellation process, with a few helpful tips to keep things smooth and error-free. Start by signing into your Keap account in a web browser. Once you're in, look toward the top corner of the screen for your profile icon. This is usually a small avatar or initial that opens your personal menu. Click that, then choose Settings. Inside Settings, locate the section labeled My Account. This is where Keap keeps your core account and billing controls, so it's the right place to begin the cancellation. On the My Account page, look for the option that says Cancel My Subscription. Depending on your plan or the version of the interface you're using, you might instead see a link to request cancellation. Both options take you to the same outcome, formally starting the process to end your subscription. If you see promotional offers or suggestions to change plans along the way, don't worry, that's normal. Continue until you reach the cancellation path that applies to you. Next, fill out the cancellation form. This form is designed to confirm your intent and collect a bit of information. You'll typically be asked to select a reason for canceling. Choose the one that best fits your situation so your request can be processed correctly. There may be checkboxes confirming you understand what happens after cancellation, like losing access to certain features. Read these carefully so there are no surprises. If there's a field for comments, keep it brief and focused, and avoid entering any sensitive personal information. Make sure any pre-filled contact details look correct, then proceed to submit the form. After you submit, you should see a confirmation message on screen, and you may receive an email with the details. Keep that message for your records. In many cases, access continues until the end of your current billing cycle, but the exact timing depends on your account. If you don't see a confirmation email within a short time, check your spam or junk folder. That's it. To recap, open your profile icon, go to Settings, then My Account. Select Cancel My Subscription or the Request Cancellation option and complete the form. Take a moment to read each prompt, confirm your details, and submit. With those steps, your Keap subscription cancellation should be completed cleanly and confidently.